Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. In today's class, we are going to practice to make questions and we are going to answer with no, it is not.
Okay, children, let's continue the work now. Put the date, answer these questions. Come on. IS is THIS this. DUCK duck. Is this a duck? Oh, is this a duck, children? It's a question. Now we have to answer it. Okay. What do you think here? See the picture. Is this the duck? Do you think this picture is of duck? No, it is not. Right? Yes. Why are we saying no? Because the picture is wrong here. Okay? When we don't agree, then we say no, nahi. Ye duck nahi hai. Right? Good. Come on. Say no, no. No means nahi. No, it is not. Come on. See children, it. Okay. It, when do we use it? We use it for an object, for an animal, right? Yes. Just like for boy, we use he. For girl, we use she. Right, children? Good. Come on, let's do the next one. Is this a cloud? Cloud. ISS, this, a cloud. CL, cl, ow, OU, ow, d. Cloud. Is this a cloud? Oh, see the picture, children. Is this a cloud? Do you think it's correct? No. No, it is not. Come on, let's write no, N capital, okay? No. You have to put comma here. No, it is not. It. It is. Then one finger gap, right? Not. N-O-T. Not. Then full stop. Okay? N-O, no, comma. I-T, it. One finger gap. I-S-S. One finger gap and then write not, N-O-T, not. Nahi, ye nahi hai cloud. Okay, good. Next one. I-S is T-H-I-S, this. F-R, fr. O-G, og. Fr, og. Is this a frog? Question mark. Meaning, it is asking us a question now. Is this a frog? See the picture, children? Do you think the picture is correct? No. No, it is not. It is not a frog. Right, children? Yes. Then, what it is? An ant. Correct, children? Yes. But we have to answer, is this a frog? So, we will answer it as, no, it is not. Come on. Let's write no. N-O, no, comma. I-T, it, then put one finger gap and then write is, I-S-S, and then one finger gap, with one finger gap write not, N-O-T, not. Then full stop. Okay. Come on, see. Is, I-S-S, T-H-A-T, that. Is that a K-I-T-E, kite? K-I-T, kite. E is silent. Okay, this is long sound of vowel I. Is that a kite? See the picture, children. Is that a kite? What do you think is that? It is? It is a tree, right? Yes, it's not a kite. So what you will write? You're not agreeing. You're saying nahi. You're saying no, no, it is not a kite. We will simply write no, N-O, no. No means nahi. No, I-T, it, okay? With comma, then you write it, and then I-S-S, and then one finger gap, write not, N-O-T, not. Then full stop. Okay, children, last one. I-S is T-H-A-T, that. A and an. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Question mark. Is that an ice cream? See the picture. Is that an ice cream, children? No. It is a duck, right? Yes. So, this picture is wrong. We are not agreeing, right? We are not saying this picture is correct. It's a duck picture. It's not an ice cream picture, right, children? Yes. Is that an ice cream? See the picture. Is that an ice cream? No, it is not. Come on, let's write no. Nahi. No means nahi. Comma. IT. It. What? One finger gap. Write is. I-S is. One finger gap and then write not. No, it is not. Full stop. Okay, children. I want neat handwriting. Write neatly. Practice well. Take care. Bye-bye.